Hi Cesar, Shannon Cower here with Tameron Hyundai. You inquired about the Tucson. We have several on the lot just for you. Now you didn't specify trim package. Make no mistake, we've got acres and acres of property with the vehicles that you want. It fits your budget and your choice. I want to tell you real quick, Cesar, about the America's Best Warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, 5-year roadside assistance. These packages on the steering wheels for your safety and convenience. You've got all your radio controls, your Bluetooth. You've got controls that work everything in the car, and they come with backup cameras. And some have navigation. It's whatever you choose. My name is Shannon Cower. I am your personal sales associate, Cesar. My cell number is 205-907-4700. You may reach me at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Again, that's Shannon, and my cell is 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.